The government of Zimbabwe is set to send more teachers to Rwanda as part of an exciting bilateral arrangement. From May 12 to 18, 2024, a Zimbabwean technical committee paid a visit to Rwandan teacher training colleges, and guess what? The evaluation was a huge success. Permanent Secretary Simon Masanga shared that the Rwandan government is delighted with the performance and conduct of Zimbabwean teachers. This positive feedback underscores the strong educational partnership between the two nations. But what does this mean for the future? More opportunities for Zimbabwean teachers to share their expertise and for Rwandan students to benefit from diverse teaching methods. It's a win-win situation. This collaboration is more than just an exchange of teachers. It's a step towards building stronger educational ties and fostering mutual growth. Stay tuned as this new chapter unfolds, bringing exciting possibilities for both Zimbabwe and Rwanda. Education knows no borders.